Hi friends, this is Meredith with Organic Lines Art and Design, and today we're going to be doing some upcycling. I'm using a package that I got in the mail from the company Natural Life. This is what it looks like now. And we're going to add some color and some stuff to it so it becomes a piece of art that you'd like to hang on your wall. So let's get started. All right, so as I mentioned, this is the package that came in the mail, and I think I ordered some headbands, the little boho bandeau headbands that I love wearing. And I absolutely love this package, and I couldn't throw it out because I can see coloring it in and maybe adding some tassels and a little string at the top to hang it and actually enjoy the little things like this packaging. So what I have, I've got some white markers, some other colors of markers, some yarn to make the little tassels. So instead of painting, I'm gonna just color because it doesn't take any time to dry. And yeah, so here we go. perfect amount of crafting, a little creative therapy for today. And thank you, Natural Life, for the inspiring packaging that you sent. Enjoy the little things. One day you'll look back and realize they were the big things. Thank you for joining me with Organic Lines Art and Design, and I hope you continue to follow me on my art adventures. Have a wonderful day.